So if I'm going into my course and I know that I have to go in and do Unit 1, the online assignment number 1, here, if we look and read through this, it's actually asking us in step 5 to make a discussion post. So what we can do is we can click on this, follow this link to get to the discussion post. And when we do that, if we scroll up a little bit, notice you have the option to start a new thread. Now, starting a new thread is going to be you basically starting the conversation. So this is where you can give your discussion or your discussion post or your opinion. The first thing you want to do is when you click on start a new thread, you have to put in a subject. So let's just say my response. Here is where you would actually write in your response. Okay. And then once you're done putting in your discussion post, you just click post here. And now your post is actually seen by other students. Okay, now other students will also have this start a new thread. And when they go in and they post on their own discussion threads, you can then go in and view theirs by clicking on, say, the title, my response, and then you'll have the option to reply to thread. So if you have to reply to another student's thread, you can put in, here is my reply to this thread, yada, 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 post it, and now you've successfully done a post, and you can actually see the reply as well. So here's the initial post, here's the reply, and then depending on how many times you have to reply, you can continue to do that if you need to. Okay, so hopefully that was pretty easy to do in terms of a discussion post. But there is an easier way to access the discussion posts, and that's by going up here to what we call the nav bar again, and clicking on discussions. If you click on discussions here, all of the different class discussions that you'll be expected to do are included inside here. So the one that we just looked at was 16 personalities discussion. So if I click on that again, now you'll see that original thread. And if I need to start a new thread again, start a new thread, my views, here is my response, post, right? And it's all done. Okay, so the easiest way is to go to discussions up here and then actually find the discussion that you'll need to do on that specific day. And you'll see that some of them are locked again, because you can only do them on certain days. But you can get to the discussion posts through here. But you can also get to them through that content browser as well. So when you go into the content and you're going through the lesson, you get to the online assignment, and they'll have the links right inside here to those discussion posts. Okay? So I hope that helps. The next thing we're going to be looking at is how to submit a file or an assignment using the Dropbox.